puntahan naman natin ang pinakahuli at pinakamasarap na Pisces. O, isang masarap. Okay, so this is personal reading for March of 2026. Only takes what resonate with you and leave what doesn't. So, Pisces, sa iyong March, based sa iyong astrology, no? Sinasabi dito, no, meron kang major turning point in partnership. So, relationship, pa-business ba yan or romantic, no, reaches a make or break momento. So, meron ka ring momento return to sa house mo or family mo, or real estate deals or family tensions finally begin to resolve. Kung ano ba yung naging problema sa family mo, babalik ka na. Magbabalik loob ka na sa iyong pamilya. Okay, so your personal New Year, which is bagong taon or bagong cycle, the most powerful day of 2026, no? Kailangan mag-focus ka sa iyong goals and your identity daw. So, clarity returns to personal project and yung mga fog, yung mga gulo ng isip, yung mga gulo ng mental mo or yung mga alalahanin mo, you were feel since late February lift, no? Now, you can speak your truth clearly na daw, no? Clearly. So, we're gonna have the lunar eclipse in Virgo on March 3 in landing directly on your opposite sign. And ending of new beginnings. Endings or new beginnings. If a partnership has been draining you, magiging okay na daw kayo, sabi ni astrology. And let's see your energy. So this is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus replacement. Only takes what resonate with you and leave what doesn't. So for our Pisces. Okay. Hangman. Okay. Siguro ito yung mga fog mo din, no? Pares kayo ni Aquarius noon. But let me clarify. Okay, you have the Seven of Swords, you have the High Priestess, and you have the Hangman. Okay, let me clarify the Seven of Swords for our Pisces. Okay, wow. Okay, completion, no? Kung ano man yung mga nangyari dito, may completion ka na nga. May breakthrough ka, parehas na sa inyong astrology, no? Sneakiness to eh. May mga taong talagang noon sa'yo na hindi naging maayos yung sitwasyon, medyo nagulo, merong pag-aaway, merong problema, merong hindi pagkakasunduan, kasi nga, merong selfish doon. Ito yon. And you have the Wheel of Fortune. So, ito na. Kung dati nandun ka sa baba, akyat ka na. No? Because si Wheel of Fortune is about life cycles. No? Destiny means sometimes ups and down. And you have the Ten of Cups. Kapag na, kumbaga na-release mo na yung mga yon, harmony, happiness, and celebration. Because you have the Ten of Cups, which is fulfillment of your emotional state. Okay, so let me clarify the High Priestess for our Pisces. For Pisces, please, Pisces, Spirit Guide, thank you, Energy, thank you, Pisces. Okay, so you have the Nine of Wands and you have the Four of Swords. So, recharge, no, rest, pahinga ka din, wag masyado burn out. And kailangan mo ng courage minsan and sometimes resilient, no? Because you can do it. You may feel down, but you have the resilience, no? Or steadiness to overcome whatever comes your way. This is the last darkness for the light. Sana all. Okay, so you have the Hangman. About Hangman for Pisces? Spirit guide, thank you. For Pisces, please. For Pisces. Okay, so you have the Chariot, the Judgment, and you have the High Priestess. Okay. Yun nga, change of position ka na eh. Judgment, it's about change position eh. Ito na nga yung breakthrough mo. No? Ito na. And then you have the high power na. No? Medyo may mga, alam mo na kung paano mag-alagay ng boundaries, no? Hindi ka na basta-basta tumatalon sa mga bagay na magbibigay lang sa'yo ng another, bigat. Change position. You might experience or experiencing a spiritual awakening and realizing that you are destined for so much more, no? Judgment parang parang Wheel of Fortune, no? Parang kanina may Wheel of Fortune ka dito eh. Okay, nice. I love it. Okay, now let's move to our psychic wording card. First, titignan natin ito. Sino tong sneakiness na to, no? Sino to? Sino ka? Alamin natin kung sino siya. Okay. Alamin natin kung sino siya. Alamin natin kung sino tong taong to. Bakit ganyan ang ginagawa sa'yo? Aquarius. Janakte. Pisces. Aquarius. Katatapos ko lang kasi kay Aquarius eh. Pisces. Okay, ito. Feeling ko ito yung gusto niyang ibigay. Kawalan ng commitment sa mga tamang bagay at sa'yo. Walang focus. Walang commitment. Kulang sa commitment. Need to learn from past action. Challenges sa relasyon. Uy, love nga ito. Parang feeling ko love to. Sudden breakup. Love nga. Ex mo to, nakichismis. Material obsession. Sex obsession. Okay, I see. And let's see the Hangman. Tingnan mo natin positive outcome dito. For Hangman, please. For our Pisces. Kailangan mo ng health, balance, and sleep, no? Katulad nga kanina dito, kailangan mo ng pahinga din. Okay. Nakatali sa isang bagay o tao. Harapin ang mga bagay na naglilimita sa'yo. No? Go lang, push lang. Kasi ano pa yan, kaya mo yan, no? Harapin mo siya ulit. Harapin mo siya ulit. No? Harapin mo siya ulit. Okay. Breaking of illusions. Gusto ko to. Very, very para sa water to eh. Breaking, which is, hindi ka na nagpapadala sa illusion. Yung mga unrealistic expectation mo, hindi mo na siya inaano ngayon. Talagang, doon ka na sa totoo. Harapin ang katotohanan. Wow! Pagbitaw sa takot at guilt o maaring kahihiyan. Freedom and growth. Wow! Wow! Ganda! Ang ganda! Okay. Bigyan naman kita ng iyong animal protector, no? Sa ating mga Pisces. Alright. This is your animal protector for our Pisces. Elk. Nobility. Elk. Okay? Pa-screenshot na lang or kaya basahin nyo na lang po yung text na nakalagay dyan. So, this is your protector animal from the divine. So, that's your reading for our love, Pisces, and see you in my next video.